People, what's happening, man? Family, get up and grind, family, what's cracking out there? You already know who it is, your boy, Coach Kelly here. And I'm here to bring you another how-to video to work on that core. Listen, folks, we know the summer is approaching. We know we want to lose a couple of pounds. I'm your man. Don't trip. I got you. It's all love here. In this 30 for 30 that we got going on, we doing what they call dead bugs, okay? No, we're not doing your sit-ups, we're not doing crunches, we're not doing those things right now. What we're gonna focus on is first making sure that your core, your stomach have strength, all right? So this is what we're gonna do, okay, folks? Pay attention to me, all right? Then we're gonna lay on our back, all right? This is exactly what we're gonna do, easy, okay? Go lay on your back like this, all right? You put both of your hands up in the air like this, all right? You're gonna have them, you can put them together, or you can have them a little bit apart. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna lift your legs like this, okay? But you're gonna be parallel with your hips, right? Just like that 90-degree angle, okay? Now what you're gonna do is when I say go for 30 seconds, you're gonna alternate your legs, heels touching the floor. Heels touching the floor. Heels touching the floor. And that's it. And then when I say break, take a break. Now listen, folks, we got that for 30 seconds on, 30-second rest. 30-second work, 30-second rest. And this is gonna get you some good stabilization in your core, in your stomach, to help your posture, right? We don't want this. We don't want this, or we don't want this. We want straight, okay? Y'all get ready. We going straight in. Get your water, get you some space, and y'all already know what time it is, man. It's your boy, Coach Kelly D, man. Hey, man, I hope y'all ready to get this work in. I hope you ready to start working on that core. Listen, folks, you see the timer in the back. We got about 45 seconds, man. We getting off to it. Make sure you ready, man, because I'm ready. Let's get up and grab fitness. Let's go. Hey, trust me, make sure y'all go to that Patreon. Make sure y'all use this workout, 30-day transformations. One video a day will give you a 30-day transformation. We got 15 seconds. Let's get it. Get yourself set up, folks. Y'all know I like to be turned up, right? Oh man, we got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Make sure your back is flat on the floor. Back is flat on the floor. Make sure your heels is touching the floor. Keep your arms parallel, straight up in the air. Come on, folks. We got 5 seconds left. Let's get it. 2, 1. All right, get a break. Oh yeah, get a break. Get a break. Let's get it. We're doing this live and uncut. Listen, folks, we got 5 seconds left. Let's get back to it. Hey, 3, 2. Make sure you're breathing in through your nose, out your mouth. Ten seconds left, folks. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's get it. Make sure you got your water now. Make sure you got your hydration. Let's go. Make sure you're breathing in through your nose and out your mouth, okay? Do not be holding your breath, all right? Do not hold your breath. Make sure you're breathing in through your nose and out your mouth. We got 3 seconds left. Let's get it.
Oh yeah, we got 10 seconds left, folks. Oh yeah, we got 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, yeah. You should be feeling your core getting tight, all right?
For a lot of people who have a problem with your lower ab, you should feel your lower ab starting to contract. You should feel a little fatigueness in your lower ab, all right? That lower part of the body, of the abdominal that we want to work on. I know you can feel that. We got 10 seconds left, folks. We doing this raw and uncut. Hey, appreciate you for supporting me.
Yeah.
Oh, we only on round 4, people. We on round 4. We on round 4. Let's get it. 2, 1.
Round 5, folks. Round 5. Let's get it. Round 5. Let's get it. How you feeling out there? We're halfway through the workout. 5 more rounds to go. Come on. I know you got it. Let's go. 10 seconds left. Stay strong. Stay positive. Stay focused. Don't give up now. 2, 1.
Woo. Now I know you probably feeling a little fatigued. Get you some water. Stay hydrated. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Stay focused. Stay focused. You got this. You clicked on this video for a reason. And I believe you can do it. I'm here with you right now. Let's go.
2, 1. Your head on the ground, okay? Do not be lifting your head. Keep it on the ground. Come on, y'all. We got 10 seconds left, man. We almost there, folks. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Woo, I ain't gonna lie. This exercise is called dead bugs. See? It's not crunching, it's not sit-ups, it's not bicycles, it's not very fatiguing. It's to help you learn how to use your core, right? It's a way to strengthen up your core. Let's go.
Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Yeah, that's all you should be like right there. Just like that. Yeah. Keep your head down.
Now listen, folks. Your abs gonna probably feel a little fatigue or a lot fatigued, depending on your health and fitness status of right now. But this is what I want you to focus on. Keep your lower back on the floor. Make sure your head is on the floor. Make sure your shoulders don't be lifting up. Don't cause no tension in your other part of your body but your abs. Your core. Let's get it, y'all. Oh, get a break, people. Make sure you got your water now. We live in the flesh with it, people. Even though it's virtual, it's like I'm right in the house with you right now. Hey, we turn up, people. Fitness is fun. It's not a chore. We down, let's get it. Let's go. Listen, folks, we got one more round. You made it all the way this far. You just did 10 minutes of at least about, I can say we probably did 100 dead bugs, alternating legs. You didn't even notice it, did you? Because you putting the work in. It don't take you number 5 minutes. Let's finish it off strong. 3, 2, 1. Man, that was a great job, people. That was a great job. I hope this workout start to help you strengthen your core. I hope it wasn't too hard for you. I hope it was able to teach you how to do a dead bug and where to feel it. I appreciate you for rocking with me on today and supporting me. Much love to you. Make sure you share my videos. You share my information with your family, your friends, your parents, your loved ones. Listen, folks, the news, the world is telling us to stay healthy, and we gotta get it together. So why not get up and grind? I'll holler at you soon.